Step 6 in this week's step-by-step plan to help you bounce back from that quarantine flab and get you into your best body ever. It is called Utilize Your Patience. So it takes time to transform your body from fat to fit, from lanky to nicely toned, from weak to strong, from being wimpy to being able to endure a hike with the grandkids. Even though you want it to happen overnight, sorry, it doesn't work that way. Remind yourself that it took time to put the weight on, lose your stamina or lose your strength, so it's going to take time to get where you want to be again. When you find your patience wavering or when you encounter a frustrating plateau, you'll be encouraged by reviewing your goal or your goals. Is it specific and measurable? Is it small and attainable rather than monumental? Focus on your goal when the going gets tough, okay? Make each workout a new experience. Challenge your body with different resistance, new exercises, and a varied pace. Remember that anyone can have one great workout, but that won't get you the body you want. The only way to achieve your goal is by consistently exercising, being persistent, and eating right, plain and simple. Get serious about your results. Begin the last weight management program that you'll ever need to do. Call or email me today to get started. Details are either in my bio or in the comment section. Train well, be intentional, and have faith.